Here's how you change the background of any photo in Canva to bring your ideas into life. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Start by opening a blank canvas. Any size would work. Just click on Create right here and then choose anything that matches the frame of your design. Now, once you have your canvas, you can now add your original photo. If it already has a background, we'll remove that first. Go to Apps on the left panel, then in the search bar, type in Background Eraser. And once you're inside, select your photo and Canva will instantly erase the background for you. Super easy. Now that your subject's background is gone, time to add a new one. Head over to Uploads right here and upload the photo you want as your new background. Or if you don't have one, just head on to the elements right here and type in the kind of background you're looking for, like beach, cafe, or aesthetic wall, and choose whatever fits your vibe. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. So back to editing your design, position your new background behind your subject by clicking on it, then hitting on position right here and click on to back. Now make some small tweaks if needed, just like adjusting the size, blur, or shadows for a more natural blend. And that's it. That's how you change the background of any photo in Canva. Quick, clean, and creative. Don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.